Hi, welcome back, and I hope you learned something in the previous video, and I hope you've been able to practice. Today we'll be dealing on how to add your photos, like how to take your photos from your gallery to your CapCut app. Let's get straight to CapCut app and do the magic. It is always simple. Here we don't sweat. Very easy, we do it. I trust my students. You guys are killing it. Let's get to the video. To import your pictures, open your CapCut and then tap on Project, and then you swipe to Photos. When you get to Photos, you swipe and then you look for a particular picture. Let me pick this beautiful picture of mine. I pick this, and let me pick this Vicky Jane picture, and I think I like this particular picture. This way I have picked 4 different pictures on my CapCut. In this way I can turn them to a video. Let's tap play. This is how it looks like. This is how it's going to look like importing pictures. Let's assume that you want to import just one picture. Let's cancel. We go to project and then we'll select just one picture, and you go to add. This way you have added a picture to your CapCut app. Let's say example, you want to add a video and also a picture. So let's do this by adding a picture. Let's add this, and then let's add I want to add another picture and a video together, and you click on add. This way I have added a video and also a picture. Does this make sense? I've added a picture and also a video, so you can add as much picture as you want. The same way, you go to project. Let's say you want to select different videos. I'll pick this, I'll pick this, I'll pick this, and then let me go to my photos. I'll pick this, I'll pick this, I'll pick this. I can select as much pictures as possible. In that way you have a full video like this, right, consisting of videos and picture. So I hope this is clear. In this video you have learned how to upload pictures and videos to your CapCut app. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about how to import audios from your phone to your CapCut app. Make sure you don't miss that. See you in the next class. Bye. All you want to do is run.